Greetings. Welcome to my uh, video for today. In today's subject, we're going to be discussing about the Prime Minister of Jamaica and his revelation on the Jamaican low unemployment rate. Now, I was reading an article by a clergyman called Peter Espeut in Eastern Kingston area, and it was posted in the Gleaner, Jamaican Gleaner, on the 25th of August. That's a few days ago. And he asked the question, does the Prime Minister understand the STATIN report on the unemployment rate in Jamaica? And also as well, I've seen another clergyman, Mark Twain, in an article in Gleaner about 2 weeks ago, who asked the same question about the Prime Minister. And he asked the question, does he understand the unemployment rate? And of course he does. He's an intelligent man. But I think he's just, as a politician, just twisting things around to look good. So let's get into it. So in Jamaica, the employment rate is 4.5%. So there are 1,312,000 people employed in Jamaica and 61,000 people unemployed in Jamaica. But the report also states that there are 725,000 people who are out of the employment numbers. So because you're only counted as unemployed if you were looking for work in the week that the report was done. So what I mean is that a lot of folks in Jamaica, they are not working, but they don't show up on the unemployment rate because in the week that the report take place, they wasn't looking for a job. And I will post the article by Peter Espeut in the description below in this video. So if you scroll down the description section in this video, in this post, then you'll see the report there. I didn't manage to copy the one from Money Tweets. So the point now is this: there are 725,000 people in Jamaica who are not working, and they're entering on the report, and that is about 40% of the Jamaican workforce. But I did a calculation, and it's about 600,000 people who are of working age, which is officially between 15 and 65. And I believe that if Jamaica is going to improve its productivity rate, you need to tackle the people in Jamaica who are not looking for work. And I believe that most of those people are probably in their 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s. Now, and that's why I believe that, my personal thing is that the government of Jamaica could have used the tourism industry in the world of Jamaica to employ a lot of folks. Because, when I go on holiday in Europe, whether it is Spain or Portugal, etc., when I stay in the hotels, it is mainly people in their 30s and 40s and 50s and even 60s who are serving in the hotels. When I'm in Jamaica at the hotels, then you find people in their 20s, early 20s, maybe even late teens. They're working in the hotels, So the government of Jamaica need to, unless the government can tackle the people in Jamaica who have give up and looking for work, they're not working. And read the article below, and you will see, what I'm talking about. Unless the government tackle those people, the country is gonna suffocate, because we can't afford to have so much people out of work in Jamaica. And they start looking for work because they can't get any work. Because a lot of those folks in the 30s, 40s, 50s, they don't have any skills or any subject. They don't have any 3CXC. Some probably, can barely, hit themselves literally. But it's easy to be trained and take a job in the hotel industry, to spread some bed, mop some floor. That's okay. Because these same, I've seen England now for a few decades now, and I've seen the same people from Jamaica come to England in their 30s and 40s and 50s, and they're working. They're doing a cleaning job. They're working in the care homes. Of course, you have the teachers as well from Jamaica, and nurses as well. And you have at least as well. So you have people who are earning good money. But I'm talking about the mass amount of people from Jamaica who I know. And they're doing cleaning job and working in the care homes. So if they can do that in England and in America as well, well, why not in Jamaica? So they can work in a hotel in Jamaica as well. So the government need to spread the hotel industry in Jamaica, not just in the Montego Bay area or the Utrecht area, but spread it around St. Elizabeth as well, Royal Manchester as well, Westmoreland as well. I know the girl is hot up now, but moved on to the southern part of Westmoreland as well, and spread the thing out. And employ these people, employ the people who are not working, employ those folks who are in their 30s and 40s and 50s, who are staying at home, doing nothing at all. If you employ them, then that will massively boost the country. If you get, 300,000 people employed who are staying home at the moment, looking, so that's where the country need to head to. The government tend to want to just focus on the people who are already having their 5 GCSE subject and leave school, and they don't want to hire, say, retrain them and get higher wages or whatever. And that's good, but you're talking about a few thousand people. Let's tackle the 300,000 people who, or the 600,000 people, get half of them into work. That's 300,000. That would be a massive boost for the Jamaican economy. Then they can pay your teachers and your nurses. So the same way how people can leave Jamaica who are in their 40s and 50s, work in the UK, work in America, in the care homes, and in the cleaning jobs, the same way they can work in Jamaica as well, if the opportunity is there. You just spread the thing around the country. You need to boost the economy. 725,000 people staying home, not working. Out of 2.8 million people, that's not good. We need to better than that. Okay, so the Prime Minister, the reason why Ronnie Thwaites, who's a clergyman, and the article I'm going to post is Peter Espeut, clergyman as well. Myself is a clergyman as well. So we know about the people who are of the lower class people, because the church full of those people, and we know that they ain't working. So so the government should have at least said that while he's boasting about the 4% unemployment rate in Jamaica, the government should have shown that yes, among those looking for a job, there's very few left, but we have a mass amount of people, like 600,000 people of working age who are staying home, not looking for work. We need to tackle that and find out why they're not looking for work and try and get work in their communities. And that would be a massive boost to the Jamaican economy. Okay, so thanks for listening to this video, and have a read, and let me hear your comments below. Thank you very much. God bless you. Peace.